Hello, wonderful students. Now, we have to solve 4 raised to the power of r plus r equals to 0. Now, how do we do this? We have 4 raised to the power of r plus r equals to 0. Now, the first thing is to subtract r from both sides. So, you have 4 raised to the power of r equals to minus r. Okay, so now we can multiply both powers by reciprocal of r, that is 1 over r. Okay, so we have 4 raised to the power of r times 1 over r raised to the power of 1 over r equals to minus r raised to the power of 1 over r. Okay, so r cancel r, so we have 4 equals to minus r raised to the power of 1 over r. Alright, now let's make an assumption. Let's say x equals to minus 1 over r. So if we have it this way, now it's the same thing as saying that minus r equals to 1 over x. Okay, so once we cross multiply, we have xr, we have minus xr equals to 1, we have minus x equals to minus r equals to 1 over x. Okay, so now let's substitute this into this equation. So let's substitute minus r into this equation. So we have 4 equals to 1 over x raised to the power of minus x, right? So now look at this. So when you multiply both sides of this assumption by negative, so you have minus x equals to 1 over r, which will replace this. Okay, so now we have that. So we have 4 equals to, now look here, so we have to do away with this negative. So you find the reciprocal of the base, and that gives you x over 1. So x over 1 is the same thing as x raised to the power of x. So you write 4 in index form, that is 2 raised to the power of 2 equals to x raised to the power of x. Alright, you can see here that the base is the same thing as power. Here the base is the same thing as power. So it means x equals to 2. So that is going to be the answer to the problem. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. Thank you for watching.